Hey beauties. All right, so I am doing something a little crazy today. So I am going to be trying the Monistat 7 or Miconazole 7 in my case. But the Monistat 7 scalp treatment for 1 month. So I wanted to take you all on this journey with me. This is very outlandish for me. I would have never thought to put the JJ cream on my scalp, but hey, we're gonna see what this is talking about because apparently it's gonna make your hair grow. So to make my treatment, I'm going to use this Moroccan and Argan Oil Deep Conditioner from Silicone Mix. And I'm also going to be using the, I got the off-brand Monistat 7 because, I mean, hey, it's the same thing. And I was, when I'm all about the budget. So I went to my local Kroger and got the Miconazole 7. And this comes, when you open it, it has the applicators, which, I mean, I don't really need those. But it comes in this little tube. So I'll be using that, and then I'll also be using my homemade oil concoction, which this is just a mixture of my oils for my scalp treatment that I did for my pre-poo video, which if you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. And then I'm also going to be using my tea tree oil, and I'm also going to be using some olive oil. Oh, and we also need a container to put the treatment in. Of course, black folks, we always use old condiment containers or whatever for storage, but that's what we're going to use for this today. Okay, so for starters, I'm going to take my Silicone Mix Moroccan Argan Oil Deep Conditioning Treatment, and I'm going to use, it's a 16-ounce container. If you guys can see, sorry about the glare. It's a 16-ounce container, so I'm probably going to use about half, maybe not half. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Oh. But you want to use like a conditioning treatment or something to dilute this badge cream. I don't know what to call it. Like, I've never used this stuff, and it kind of freaks me out because I just saw a post on Facebook like about how this cream was burning people. They called it the devil's cream. Okay, so I'm gonna use about that much. I did use about maybe half of my deep conditioner. And now I'm going to take the Miconazole Nitrate Vaginal Cream, and I'm going to put all of this in here. So I got the 7-day cream, and then the top, if you can see, has like a little prickly thing in there so that you can open it because it has like some foil on it. So I'm just gonna open that and put the entire tube into the bowl. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm doing this. I told my mom and she's like, what the heck? Why are you doing this? For the growth, mama, for the growth. Oh shoot. Let me pay attention to what I'm doing. All right, I think I got most of it out. Goodness, the struggle. All right, so now that I did that, just put that on there and put this in here. So now I'm gonna take my olive oil, which is just olive oil that I had in my kitchen, and I'm just gonna splash some in here, maybe like 2 splashes of the olive oil, why not? And then I'm also gonna take my homemade oil concoction and pour some of that in there. I'm telling y'all, when I start selling this, y'all might want to hop on the train because this is some good stuff. Like, this stuff is amazing. And then I'm gonna take my tea tree oil and I'm gonna do about, I'll say about 10 drops of this. Take that off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bam. All right, and now I'm just going to mix this all up. Get it going. Cannot believe I'm putting vaginal cream on my hair. Oh my goodness. All right, so now that this is all mixed, this is what it looks like. It has a very smooth consistency, as you can see, but not like watery. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply this to my scalp. This is a scalp treatment, so I'm not going to apply it to my like entire hair strand or whatever, but I'm just going to apply this to my scalp and I'm going to let it sit for about an hour and wash it out, and I'm going to do this for about 30 days or a month and see what the results are. So I want to do like a series. So this first video is just going to be, you know, me, how I make the treatment, and then the next video will be how I apply it, and then we'll do one with the results. So I'm excited to see what this is going to do. I'm a little nervous, I'm gonna be honest, because I'm like literally putting vaginal cream on my head. Like, what am I doing, y'all? What it's like. If you've done this before, please comment below and let me know like what your experience was, because your girl is like, what in the world? But I've done my research and it all seems legit, so we're gonna see. So if you're interested in this video, please follow me along this journey, and don't forget to subscribe to this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next video.